On this page, you are to draw a picture of where you would like to go with your pet and why. Okay, I would like to go to the beach with my pet because I want to see her jump in the water. Okay, so you draw a picture using 3 or more colors and the shape tool. So if I want to get to the shape tool, I need to click the 3 dots, and here are my shapes. Let's see, I want to make myself. So I want a blue square. I want a square and a triangle for me. And then my dog is a rectangle. And do I want any other shapes for my doggy? Maybe a square. Okay, so I'm done with my shapes. So I click off my shape tools. Now these shapes are not the right colors. So I am going to change the color by clicking on it. My doggy is brown, so I'm going to make her brown. And then I think I'm going to give her a square head, but I want to make it the same color. So let's see about that. It's darker, maybe I'll lighten it. How about that? Okay. So there's my doggy. And then here I am. I don't have a blue head. I have kind of a beige head. So I'm going to click on it and I'm going to change it. That's a little darker than my skin. Maybe that's me in the summertime. If we're going to the beach, maybe it's the summer. So I'll leave that color. And then here's my dress. I always like having a green dress. So I'm going to there. So there's my dog and there's me. And I'm going to use my pencil tool. Come down here and get my pencil to do the rest of the details, I think. So I'm going to put my eye. I'm going to take my time. Oops, did I make an eye? Okay, there's my eye. I'm going to put my hair. Here's my hair. It is very thin. I should get a fatter tool. So I'm going to click on that. Let's make it a little bit fatter. There's my hair. If I am playing at the beach with my doggy, I'm going to be smiling. So I'm going to put a big smile. I guess I should make my nose. Let's see if I can do that. Here's my nose. Okay, and then I'm going to be throwing a stick. So I'm going to make my arm like it's throwing. This one's going back this direction. But my doggy likes to chase sticks, and I bet she would love to chase it in the ocean. So here is Rai Rai. Let's put her ears flopping. So here's an ear, and here's another ear, and here is her. I think I'm going to put like a cute little nose and a happy mouth and 2 eyes. And then if I decide I want to use more shapes, I can just go in and get some more over here. She needs some feet, doesn't she? So I think I'm going to use, let's see, maybe these for feet. I'm going to click 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you know what would be better? I'm going to do this. What I'm going to do, click off of it, and then I should have done 1, made it the right color, and then duplicated. So I didn't like, let's see, let me get rid of some of these. Because she does not have blue legs. She has brown legs. So I'm going to get it. I'm going to put it the right color. I'm going to make it the right size. little shorter, huh? And then maybe it needs to be a little darker brown to match her. Oh, that's too dark. There we go. Okay, now I want to duplicate because I have them the right size. I want to duplicate. So 3 dots and then duplicate 1, 3 dots and duplicate 2, 3 dots and duplicate. Okay, so now we have 4 legs because that's how many legs my doggy has. And so I'm going to put them in the right place. Oopsie, oh no, I don't want to change the color. I'm going to change the size. Color, Mrs. Audrey. Okay, 1. Drag. So I click on it and then I oh no, oh no, oh no. I don't want to click on this side. I want to just drag it the same shape. Now I want to turn it. There we go. 2. 3. Let's turn it. Remember that little turny. And I could turn it up here and then drag it, huh? How's that? That works. For now, I want to show, because I'm going to say the beach. So I want to show that we're at the beach. So what do I need? I need some ocean, right? I need some water. So I think I'll take my pencil tool or my marker tool. How about that? I want some darker waves. And oh, I turned her leg blue. That was bad. Let's put the leg back to brown. My bad. Fix it. You can always undo. I should have used the undo button, huh? Is that close enough? There. Okay, click off of it. Now let's get a marker tool, and we do want it blue, and I'm going to draw the ocean behind us. So here's the waves. It's going behind her. And then if I want to make the sun shine. So I think I'm going to get another circle. Oops, the circles are 3 dots, shapes. So I want a circle for the sun. And we don't want it blue, we want it yellow. Oh, I like that soft yellow. That's pretty, huh? Put it up here. Then we can draw the rays coming out of it. So as you see, I'm not just rushing, huh? I'm thinking about what tool I need for each part. And I'm really doing a nice job taking my time. I could even draw a sandcastle if I wanted. I could just have so much fun. Okay, so there is what I expect. I need you to use 3 or more colors, and I need you to use the shape tool and to really show what you're drawing a picture of. Okay, and then when you go to the next page and you're doing your writing, I would go to, and I need to write the beach. So I need to make sure that I have probably my skinniest, and I need to do it in black. The, T-H-E, the. Now, beach doesn't really fit here, does it? So I'm going to have to just make it go off. B-E-E-E, ch-ch-ch-ch. I know CH says ch with my pet because she, S-H-E, sight word she, likes, finger space, likes, L-I-K-E, like, L-I-K-E, likes, finger space, the waves. The T-H-E, the finger space, waves, W, A, long A, V is for V. Now the bully E is going to make the A say its name, wave, waves. Okay, then I will copy that sentence down here, or I can go on and recopy it onto the next page. How come it's not, there we go. Finger space would, I can copy it from above, W, O, U, L, D, go, G-O, go, G-O, 2, T-O. Okay, so you see how I'm going to recopy the whole sentence. The whole sentence. I'm going to keep going. And if I run out of space on this page, I have my next page where there are extra sentences, extra lines to write my sentences. Okay, so I can go on to the next page if I need to. I'm not going to spend the time showing you how to do that because I'm just copying what's up here. Okay, so I expect to see great work from you on this.